G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do another flip cup pour, but this time I'm going to focus more on the green and gold palette. So starting here with Prussian blue, and then colony blue, celadon, jade, gold, and then my usual combination of pearl white and titanium white. Okay, using my normal pouring medium, I've got a video on how to make this. Just going to add about half to 2/3 of a cup. Okay, ready to layer the cup, and I'm using my standard cell activator, 1 part Amsterdam titanium white with 4 parts Australian Floetrol. Going to put a good layer on the bottom of the cup first. Okay, so the cup is ready to flip. Just spreading this around to make sure I cover the edges and the corners. Now it's time to start stretching the paint. I'm just tilting the canvas slightly here. So taking you in for a closer look, we've got all these very large cells, well defined here in the center. Then we have some really subtle kind of translucent white effects over here on the left with a lot of little detail. And then moving up into the top right hand corner, we've got this beautiful bloom of the pearl and the titanium white that seems to come from almost behind a hill. And then down here on the bottom right, a little trace of gold on this corner.